Where can you sell your NFT creations? NFTs are basically tokens that represent unique assets in a digital world. They can be used for all sorts of things like gaming, art, and even real estate. And because they're digital, they can be traded anywhere in the world in seconds. In this video, we're going to show you the best marketplaces to sell your NFTs. If you're just getting started with NFTs and you're not sure where to sell them, then this video is for you. Join us at Real Nifty in looking at the best marketplaces to sell NFTs. Let's cut to the chase and let's get started. The first item on the list is Rarible.com. Rarible is an open market where you may sell and buy your crafts. Rarible is one of the most well-known platforms for finding amazing creators, so it's no surprise that it's a popular place to go. How Rarible works is quite simple. All you have to do is link your wallet. You can also add a listing here. It's an open platform, so you'll find trading cards, art NFTs, MP3 NFTs, MP4 NFTs, and other video or audio on Rarible. Whatever you're searching for should be available on Rarible. Of course, you must pay the transaction fee for every transaction you make. Because the pricing for Rarible.com's NFTs is based on the Ethereum blockchain, be sure your wallet is set to Ethereum. The cost of the NFTs is pretty fair. There are costly NFTs to be found, but there are also cheap ones available. The benefit of using Rarible is it isn't demanding at all. As we have said, it's an open platform, so you can create your NFTs with ease here. It's also not difficult. It's very simple to use for beginners. We'd rank it as one of the best platforms for newcomers. When you go to the website, it shows you how it works. You may get an idea of how this platform operates since the website offers a tutorial on how to buy NFTs. Selling NFTs is rather simple. All you need to do is create various NFTs and then sell them at whatever price you choose. Live auctions are available and you can browse the best collections through the platform. Here you may discover some of the most famous collections and programs. Sandbox Land is one such example. We have the Town Star and Doodle's Wolf Game among others. So yes, Rarible.com is an excellent platform to begin selling NFTs. The next platform we're going to talk about is OpenSea.io. It's one of the first marketplaces for buying and selling NFTs. It's also the world's biggest marketplace for trading NFTs. That is why OpenSea has become so well known. The market value and marketplace for OpenSea are tremendous too. Every person interested in NFTs will be on OpenSea, since it is a platform dedicated to them. There are many distinct categories that you may choose from. For example, fantastic NFTs may be found in the following areas: art and music domain names, virtual worlds, trading cards, memorabilia, and utility support. You can also exchange or purchase them through the platform. When it comes to selling your NFTs, all you have to do is link your wallet. You can connect any wallet that you already use. You may use your MetaMask or any other wallet that you're familiar with. On OpenSea, you will be able to generate your own NFTs after your wallet is connected. The minting process is extremely simple. It takes just a minute to create NFTs. On OpenSea, when it comes to purchasing NFTs, you will be able to discover amazing ones because they're available in every category. One of the best things about OpenSea is that all of the well-known programs such as CryptoPunks, CoolCats, Sandbox, and other popular software products are accessible through it. This is another reason why OpenSea is so well known. The audience is there, so selling your NFTs should be simple for you. If you're making new NFTs, designing them, or looking for a place to sell them as a beginner, OpenSea.io is worth checking out. The third platform on our list is NiftyGateway.com. NiftyGateway.com differs from Rarible and OpenSea because it is not an open platform. Rather, it's an art platform where you can sell and purchase your odd NFTs. Again, when it comes to NiftyGateway.com, things are a little more stringent with regards to the art being released. Nifties are the name of the NFTs here. These NFTs are incredibly difficult to create and mint, which is why they're so rare. It's only available to a select group of creators who may build NFTs in the Nifty Gateway and mint them. That's why it's extremely professional. If you're a decent artist with exceptional contemporary digital art skills, NiftyGateway.com is worth checking out. And if you have a strong collection, they will allow you to connect it to Nifty Gateway. The Nifties are sold within seconds of their debut. It's a bit tough for the buyer since they must act swiftly. but it's excellent for sellers. When you're minting and selling your NFTs on Nifty Gateway, you'll have to pay the transaction fee. You can explore all of the incredible NFT artwork on the marketplace. After that, you may visit verified drops that have all of the known collections. The verified collections are fantastic and also cheap. There isn't much of a price difference between them. Nifty Gateway has the advantage of allowing you to see how much money things will cost in US dollars, which is great because art is spectacular here. You may make a lot of money on niftygateway.com as a vendor. If you're an artist and into art NFTs, check out niftygateway.com. Next on the list is Foundation.app, which is another well-known marketplace for NFTs. The great thing about Foundation.app is that you'll be able to discover some fantastic digital artworks. You can see here some of the greatest NFTs available, trending auctions or current auctions in progress. Foundation.app is an open-source coding program for the Ethereum blockchain, and it's jam-packed with amazing digital art from the blockchain. It performs rather well. You'll discover a lot of these incredible creators. Again, it's a little more professional than OpenSea, but the minting procedure is a bit complex, and only the great creators and well-known ones can create one on the application. However, if your chances are in your favor, you should consider using Foundation.app. These NFTs are actually sold for hundreds of dollars. This one is worth 15 Ethereum, and 15 Ethereum is a significant amount. You can tell the difference between these NFTs and those from previous years. You notice that this artwork is merely very formal, with all of these creators being extremely professional and developing fantastic NFTs. So, if you're an artist, you can make these breathtaking NFTs, and you should definitely visit Foundation.app, since you'll receive compensation for your NFT, as well as a promising marketplace. Have you been enjoying the video so far? If you like it, give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you want to see more knowledgeable and entertaining videos similar to this one, please hit the subscribe button. Speaking of NFT marketplaces, there are still 2 items on the list that you will want to discover. So let's go ahead and take a look at them now. Another platform that we would like to show you is Digital Eyes. Digital Eyes is unlike previous platforms because it is a Solana marketplace. On Digital Eyes, you may trade and sell your Solana NFTs. We are bringing it up now because if you're making Solana NFTs but don't want to work on it, you can just go with Digital Eyes. It's also a public marketplace for Solana NFTs. You will be able to discover all of these different groups. Digital Eyes is home to verified collections of digital objects, including action figures. The NFTs are fantastic, and you can see that the best collections have been verified. These groups are quite well known. As a seller, you'll be able to offer your NFTs in minutes, since the marketplace is quite big. You may simply create your NFTs by going solo. You can go look around and discover different NFTs. To establish a listing on Digital Eyes, you may sell your NFTs using the sell option. You'll just need to pair your wallet with Solana, and it will do the rest. Then you'll be able to discover current collections, most popular collections, and verified collections. When you open a collection like stylish studs, for example, you will be able to see the price floor. The volume will be shown in the page here, as well as the listing and the price. So the pricing isn't that high. You can actually filter your search right here and you'll see one of the collections. This is a really interesting collection, and you can now buy any of these NFTs using your wallet. To sell one, simply connect your wallet and then create your listing. So, if you're seeking a Solana NFT marketplace, check out digitaleyes.market. One marketplace that we are more excited about than any other is the Real Nifty Marketplace. It is a unique and curated marketplace for those looking for the best NFT collections and drops. With a focus on both the physical and digital world, we provide a user-friendly experience that expands the use cases of NFTs. Our marketplace is exceptional because of our features, which include physical delivery logistics and a focus on real-world use cases. With Real Nifty, you can be sure you're getting the best possible experience when it comes to creating, buying, and selling NFTs. So there you have it, folks. That concludes our video. Hopefully, this video has given you the knowledge you need about the marketplaces for NFT arts trading. If you have further questions about NFT marketplaces, leave a comment below and we'll surely respond to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video and good luck with exploring the NFT marketplaces. See you on the next one. Bye!